Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat we called not find matching account or password. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you have a problem logging into your account due to an incorrect password, suspicious activity or other reasons, then watch the video to the end and I will tell you all possible ways to solve this problem. So the first thing you need to do is log into Snapchat. Then if you forgot your password, you can click forget password and restore it using your phone number or email. If you have a problem due to unusual activity and your account is temporarily unavailable, then perhaps the fact is that you entered the wrong password many times. Try waiting 20 minutes and enter it again. The next option is to open the App Store or Google Play and check if a new Snapchat update has been released whereas this problem has been solved. If you have an update button, then click it and install the latest version of the application. The next way is to go to settings, then general and iPhone storage. On Android you can also find storage, then scroll down and find Snapchat. Here you need to click offload app and then reload the data. It may also help you to log into your account. Well, the last way is to open Google Chrome and enter Snapchat support. Open the first link and click I can't access my account. Next, choose a possible reason and follow the instructions. After that, technical support will review your message and help you restore access to your account. These are the interesting ways. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.